Zarra, güey. O los hackers, güey, también cómo sacan el tapón, güey. ¿La mamá de quién? Qué verga. Güey, hay un Camry, mamón. Como el que tenía Gaby Blanco. Ah, León. Ah,
I
León.
cannot join, sport. I cannot join. Sport, how many people in your lobby? Damn, I cannot. It's say. Alright, I'm gonna try join again.
Ay, mira. De jonditas deberíamos de hacer.
No, I talked to sport. The guy that I'm talking to is responding already. Sorry. There
Nigga, 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 nigga.
you go.
De jonditas, una verga.
Alright.
Shut the fuck up. Me uno, va, Gaby. No me uno.
Alright, I'm joining you.
Gaby, you wanna suck my dick?
Hey, tell your friends to join. Let's stay on the same lobby and having fun. Okay. No, what about your friends? They're not gonna join? Alright. Oh, I got Warzone 2, Scoot 2. I'm good at sniping, 1v1.
Aquí estoy yo, ¿no? hay que hacer la misión del Venice para todos arreglar el carro, ven, verga.
Yeah, I'm here.
Los cuatro. Este güey nos quiere matar, este güey nos quiere matar, nos quiere matar. Sí, sí, sí. Mira, mira. Este güey que tengo aquí. Sí, ya.
I'm gonna go grab a shit.
¿Dónde?
Sport, I'm gonna go
Lo,
grab a
lo,
shit.
lo, lo,
I'll
lo,
be
lo
right
mató con
there.
su propia. Me alcanzó a matar.
Every Everybody join our lobby, y'all. Yeah. Oh, tranquilo, my friend. We all the same people, bro. We believe in culture and religion, man. We're the same people. We're we're not we're not politicians. We're not politicians, bro. We're cultural people. Me gusta tu culo. Gusta tu culo, man. Come on, man. Dang. Nice. Sport. That's nice. Hey, why you make fun of my friend Sport, man? Come on,
¿Qué
man.
vamos a hacer? ¿Drift o qué?
At least you understand what Sport say, please.
Vamos a hacer drift.
No. Oh, no. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm just asking. Oh shit, sorry. Oh shit. Damn. I'm sorry.
¿Está largo o qué?
Alright, I'm sorry, Sport. I'm coming anyways to your position. I play Warzone. I can 1v1 you on Sniper. HDR. I will 360 you. Bro, I got a YouTube channel. You can follow it. I'm live right now as we speak.
How are you, KD?
Wait, I'm not gonna let you know till I beat you on Warzone.
How is your KD?
Why? You're one of the guys that go check profile for KTs? Come on, man. KT will lie
KD?
to you, bro. The KDs will
Setup
lie to
16?
you.
Oh,
What if he AFK the whole time, but when he play custom, you not ass. I mean, you sound like you hater, so I ain't gonna go deep. I'm just gonna chill with you guys. You, come on, man. It's all good. I'm sorry. I'm not saying all that. I'm not saying you do something wrong. I ask. All I say is I ask, and you cussed. So it's okay. It's okay, man. What's your name? We can do a 1v1 on Crandev. No, I'm just gonna fight you. We're not gonna be friends.
Tony Locke.
Tony! Fuck you, Tony!
What? You say nigga?
What's your name? Tony, motherfucker! Well, fuck you, Tony!
A la verga, ¿quién está arriba conmigo? ¿Por qué, güey?
Tony
No.
Montana is the best too.
Da, un chicarro culero.
Motherfucker is a dishwasher at the beginning. Man, we gotta do. I'm with my friend Sport. Join us, man. We're friendly. They're chilling out right here. They're doing a burn. They're burn out trips. I'm Pacific Islander. Pacific Islander. You know about pollination, melanation, micronation?
Ah, esto no le puedo cambiar el color.
Alright. It's
eso-
all good.
a esto no le puedo que-
We respect your race. Do you know that the people in Pacific know your race and respect the cultural way of Aztec and Mayans? You don't know that? Alright, you gotta learn your history before you try to make a conversation, my dude. No, I'm just love history. I love history, bro. I gotta read what our ancestor did. Well, I'm not a nerd, bro. I'm not trying to be a hater. I'm just letting you know. Well, I'm telling you, what the hell? Damn. Hey, where's Tony, man? We gotta do a fist fight, Tony. Tony, we gotta do a fist fight. Where are you? What's your name? Oh, that's you with my friend? Oh, come on, sport. Let him trap him, bro. Alright. We're gonna fist fight. Wait, stop. I'm on the chair right above you, bro. I can kill you long time ago, but I didn't even shoot, okay? Alright, Mr. McDonald guy. Fuck you, doggy.
¿Ese güey que está hablando qué, güey? ¿Dónde? ¿No están ni jugando aquí? ¿Quién es? ¿Pero quién? ¿Dónde está? ¿Quién? ¿Está
Let
jugando
me go
aquí?
down and say, fuck you, doggy. Oh, shit.
Oh, ese
Alright,
está
I'm
bien.
coming. I'ma come on my car.
Choco, güey.
I wanna fight Tony. Bro, let me fight Tony, bro. The fuck? Where's Tony, bro?
¿Esto se va a divertir o no?
Yeah, I know, but I ain't really on that shit, but I'm ready to fight Tony. No, tranquilo, amigo. No, man. Do you know I go to high school to learn Spanish? Do you know I went to high school to learn Spanish? Mm-hmm. Yes, sir, bro. We're friends, okay?
Me agarras.
Oh, Donnie. Whoa, Donnie. Okay, okay.
Come on, Tony.
Oh,
Come on,
Donnie's
Tony.
mad as fuck.
Stop playing with me, Tony. Stop playing with me.
Chill out, Donnie. What's wrong with you, bro? You okay?
Oh, what's up?
Dang. Don't do that to me,
A
bro.
la verga.
I don't do that.
A la verga.
Tony, I'm a tryhard, okay? Come on now.
¿Qué pasó?
Tony, I'm a tryhard, okay? I'm just letting you know right now.
What happened?
Okay, come and fight me then, bro. Anything you got. Anything you got, shoot me on it. No, ain't no fist fight. This is a
Arre, arre, arre,
random
arre, arre.
stranger
Pelea de
fight.
mancos, pelea de mancos. Pelea de NPCs, pelea de NPCs.
I got the lead right now, so, you know. Feast fight. What do you think this is? A restaurant?
A ver.
Tony, leave me alone, Tony. Tony.
Y se lo culió. Oh. Se lo dijo a...
Tony. Tony, bro. Tony, bro.
Vamos a ver
Chill
ahorita
out,
que se pone el
bro.
tío volado, que... Nah, esa mano es para drifting.
Now, let me highlight Tony so I
No.
know where he's at every time.
Ay, pinche placa de
Huh?
mierda, me chocó.
You go to the contact and go to their name, go to the bottom and highlight it. And their name's gonna be blinking every time on the map. Go to the contact list, go down and highlight. Tony, bro, what happened to you, Tony? Tony. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna kill no more. What the fuck, bro? Chill the fuck out, bro. 5-0, Donnie. I'm gonna go get a kid and run away, dude.
¿Lo está haciendo cagado o qué? ¿Lo está haciendo cagado o qué?
Me too,
Ya
bro.
le sacó el gordo. Te ganó, pa.
Oh shit, he run me over, bro. Yo,
Oh.
alright. Alright, I'm gonna go and do something and you're gonna look for me.
Kill him.
1-4,
Kill him.
1-4. I got 3 kills up. Bro, that's 1-4, bro. What you talking about? Fist fight.
Vergazos, vergazos.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
No, you take
Ah, la mamá de quién. Ay, me dio hambre. Oh. Puras mamadas. Y lo que... Me van a hacerlo como rale. Todos contra todos. Nos hundiamos. Mamá, la verdad. Ah, todos, soy yo bien joto, ¿no? Todos contra todos, acá como si nos fuéramos a culiar. Es que como le dijo bien joto, güey, se oyó como si fuéramos a culiarnos, güey. Todos contra todos, güey, vete a la verga. Vamos, everybody is very, very. Everybody is everybody. Por favor, ay, perro, así nomás. Everybody, everybody. Se agüitó a la
Tony, come
verga.
over, Tony.
Pa' culiarlo. Tu madre, Tony. Y se agüitó, pa. Te pego con la... A la verga, nunca explota, pues. Ta madre. En el taller, pa. Fierro. Le quito la menor agarre a este porque a ver si corre machín. Nunca lo he visto. Aquí se, ya estoy aquí yo. Ah, por fuera. Perlas negras con Red Bull. A la verga, tengo que dejarle por su puta madre. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Por dónde? ¿Eso se maneja bien, eh? Sí. 90. ¿Le echo saliva o qué? Ya entró el bitter, mira. Ah, no, ah. Ah. No lo sé por aquí abajo, mira. Pinche mamá verga. The fuck. Un remolque a la mitad de la calle. Ah, estos pendejos. Ah, a ver si puedo comprar uno. Este de lujo, este perro, el Audi. ¿Eh? Qué feo. Este güey me quiere besar. Guay. Guacha las perras. Oh, me morría la puso, güey. A la virga, güey. Ajá. ¿Cuál? Ah, que estoy buscando un carro. Pero... ¿Unos Honditas o qué? Traer un freeway de Honditas, ¿no? Sí. Para que salga el chilo. Ajá, ¿cuál es el que tienes tú? El Dinka Kanjo. El verde, ¿no corre? Es de dos puertas. Verde. Es el Civic. Pero no es el hatchback. Entonces, ¿cuál es el que tienes tú? ¿Quién fue? ¿Quién fue? Me mató. Ve. Ujú. Sí, me va corriendo. No, no la haces, güey. Estoy bien bravo, güey. Vaya, vete como tiras otra. Ah, anda con su granada. Ah, te ando sus granaditas. No sé. Estoy tirando granaditas. No, a la verga. Me atropellaron. Gringos frijoleros. Ah, pero se hacer con especies de granadas cargadas. Anda caliente. ¿A dónde se fue? ¿A dónde? Pero aquí está todavía, ¿no? Aquí está en el grupo.
What did I do wrong, bro?
Fue por un avión.
Sorry, I charge my 8 phones right now. It's it. That's why I didn't dock. I'm at my facility chilling. Would Yeah, I'm fast with that sport. Oh,
Estamos a ver. Dices, ah,
Tony, come back. Tonyo.
pinche lote que tenés atrás de ti. Cuando cuando la carga. Cuando tiene balas. Mejor lo agarro. Son como 5 balas. Sí, mami, mira cómo era, ¿no? A ver, estoy pegando una vergüenza. ¿A dónde?
Whoa. Why you kill my friend, man?
Un chijoto.
Tranquilo.
Eh,
Um,
un cartucho de 1 gramo de 500.
Dame. Nice,
¿Tú lo vas a vender?
40.
¿Ah?
Coming with a chick.
500. Mm, mm, está un poquito caro.
Mm.
¿Nada?
Yeah, Plazo. Chill, bro.
¿Nada?
There you go.
¿Cuánto pues llevas ya rato, unos 5 años? Cuando andamos en la mota. Poquito después. Poquito después.
I'm coming in. Alright, let me highlight that guy. So, De repente como que se hace lento. oh shit, who's here? And why you act like you act out?
Eh,
Who's that on a chopper with me? Okay.
la verga. Es que como que de repente se agacha el mono, güey. Se enfoca, no sé. Sí, va.
Damn.
Pero con la que mueves la mira o el mono. Ah, si hago eso no recargando no la recarga.
Yeah, I'm on the
Creo que sí.
helicopter.
Eh,
Damn.
oh.
Bro, why you let him kill you twice like that?
Y eso que
No, Eli. No, you good.
ya estuvo esa madre.
It's
Ya
better,
se
y'all.
cansó. O sea,
Oh, fuck. I crashed on the cheat. I don't like that cheat no
sí.
more. Wait, what?
Una chompa de la de mierda. Está bien lejos. Se fue un zarra, dice. De repente. Oh.
Lato is pissed off. 11-10. Oh, 10-10. 11-11.
¿Sí va? La placa.
Damn. I got pissed off, bro.
Pinche agua, no me dejaba. Ah, me salió de aquí. A ver, a ver, a ver.
Damn.
¿Qué pedo? Te pegué.
You right on.
Mira, esa madre, ¿qué pedo?
Damn.
¿Cuál? Eh, ¿Cuál? Oh.
Damn.
A la verga. ¿Ese quién es?
Hello there,
¿Ese quién es?
sir.
Déjale ver ahora.
You're about to face a rat.
Oh.
Woo! Alright. Oh my
Oh, le
god!
pegué a la verga, me lo chingué. Luego tira. Ah.
Oh, you're about to keep dying over like, why you kill? Hey! Excuse. Oh yeah? Are you gonna kill him or are you just gonna stand there? No, I'm fighting your friend. Bro, that means a lot. Damn. What the?
La pinche placa,
Yeah,
güey.
it's good. Alright, let me see how good he is. I'm still leading. It's like 4-8. Don't stand there and disrespect me, bro. Okie dokie. We're about to field some sniping skills. I'm sorry, bro.
Oh.
Who's that? I don't know. I don't know who's on the
¿Quién es el
chopper.
otro?
Tony, that's you? You getting back, Tony? Oh!
Oh.
5-10, 5-10. Fuck. Damn.
¿Qué? Eh.
Tony! There you go.
Pinche gente, güey. ¿Qué le pasa a la gente ahí?
Oh!
Oh.
614. Damn. I'm about to hit 20 now. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh.
Bro, you killed me while I spawn. Let me watch this spin and shoot. Oh, you miss. I can see you. How you miss, man? Oh.
Oh.
Oh. When you miss, it's over, bro. Oh, where is he? I cannot see him far away. Oh, why you do that, bro? Oh, shit!
Dale, pues.
Tony, motherfucker. Fucking Tony.
Oh, oh,
Yo,
oh.
that's fucked up, Tony.
¿Qué me está disparando? A ver, por la concha.
Oh, what? Oh, hell no. This guy shot me. Oh, this is a free for all. Alright. Alright. One more shot. Die. And look at the guy on the back. Die. Die. Bro, I got two snipers on. Oh, hell no.
No.
Alright, I gotta have a double shot. Who's on the sniper, Tony? Who's on the chip, Tony?
Estoy montado, ya lo sabes.
Fucking Tony.
Eso yo no lo miro.
Oh, hell no. Tony.
Eso yo no lo veo.
Tony.
A la
I
verga,
shot
yo sé.
Tony from a parachute. Oh my god!
En el
I'ma
aire, a la
clip
verga.
that, bro. I swear I'ma clip that, bro. Oh my
Sí,
god, that's a
yo le
fast
quería,
shot.
yo quería hacer eso.
That's fast. Why are you shooting at me?
Oh.
Why did you shoot at me and you and me and you
Se agüitó
and
el gordo.
you? will come over and you
Oh, así.
and you and you. And you. Eric, one more shot.
Hey, calm down, calm down.
Hey, 10-19, bro.
Oye,
10-19, bro.
esa casita.
Don't shoot at
Sí,
me.
por la concha.
Why are you shooting at me?
El agua vale verga. Se me olvidó.
Bro, he's surrounding. He's right here.
La cosita, la cosita.
Get out of here. Get down. I'm trying to use this gun on you. Are you gonna die? Yeah. I'm about to die. I'm low health. Bam! Bam! Oh, you're
A la
about to
verga,
die
¿cómo se?
too.
Ay, ¿quién te mató?
Oh my god.
Ay, ya, Dios de lo que tú estás hablando. Si te tratan como un delincuente. Gente
Damn,
que vive en la
5-6 sport.
pobreza.
Nice.
Nadie
One
hace
more and
nada
die
porque a
score.
nadie le interesa. La gente de arriba te detesta. Hay
Oh
más
shit, you
gente
right
que
there?
quiere que caigan tus cabezas y le das más poder al poder. Más duro te van a venir a coger. Vámonos a la cabeza, la verga.
11-22. 11 point lead.
Hey, 8 kills with your fucking grenades.
Alright, there's another
Hey.
one. I don't want to kill my friend Sporty. He's peeking in the rock. Bye bye.
Vámonos.
Oh! Oh yeah, I thought you were the one who killed me. Shit. That guy killed me on the other side. I'm behind you, bro. Oh shit, he killed both of us. Now it's time for him to die.
Oh.
Oh! He pissed off, bro. He killed both of us twice. Sit
Yo,
down.
perrita. Ah. Vale.
Oh, out of sight.
I know.
Cannot see him no more. Gotta move in.
Where you at?
I'm still here. Still cannot see. What the fuck?
Antes lo monté.
Why cannot see?
No
Alright,
sé,
now
no
it's
quise
getting
dormir.
closer. 10 point lead. Go. Woo! What part of Chuk is you from?
Ey,
Yo,
puta madre.
SFFS. Rock out. Why you hiding on the wall? Somebody message me. No, I'm just, curious. Oh, 1 point lead on you.
No dijiste nada, puto.
Oh, I see you. Double kill,
Me
bro.
iba acercando para allá, para... Sí,
Why the fuck I didn't see
me
you?
gusta, pues. Me va a matar todo.
Not you. I'm talking about. Yeah.
¿Qué tal,
Oh,
amigo?
now I
Está
see
allá.
him. You about to die, bro. Boom!
I see
Boom!
you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I miss all of it.
Oh,
Oh! 9 point lead, bro. It's getting closer. It's gonna beat my score, man. Oh, what the hell is diarrhea is that?
oh, y deja de hablarme,
Man, that's some. Oh,
chiquito.
7-7. Alright. Sporty about to die first. As he's so close. Mm-hmm.
¿Te chingó? No se viene el piso para mí, güey.
Man, I cannot see that dude. Oh.
You are my bud, bro. Huh?
Oh, now I see you. There you are trying to hide it there, bro. Oh! 8 point lead. Dang. It's getting closer.
You are my bud, bro. My son. Eh.
Man, that's some genius shit, dude. Hell no. Let me do it. Oh, damn. Why'd he kill him? Where are you, bro? That's too far. Alright.
¿Ah? Sí. ¿Quién tío? Oh,
Good. No, wait. Let me know if you want it, bro. Let me give
¿te
him what he
mató?
needs, bro.
Ah, está mal, me paro.
Oh, what
Oh,
the fuck? Oh, that's crazy.
¿dónde
That's
estás?
a nice shot. Oh, you better watch out. I'm on top. Walk! You just stand there,
A ver,
bro.
no, sala. Es
Yeah,
que me apunta los dos, güey.
18-25. Damn, he's about to... What? I spun all the way over there.
¿Qué tal? ¿Dónde estás, verdad?
Oh, watch out, I'm coming in hot.
Acá estoy. Tomo. Oh, me está tirando a mí. Este güey está bien entrado, está bien entrado y le dejaron matar. Ah, no mames, güey. No me dejó ni mirarlo.
Yeah, I was looking at you, and I was holding my breath, and I was like, "Bam!"
¿Te estás dando con él? Eh. Está bien, castrate. Pinches personas. ¿Mm? Ah, me la quiero aplicar. Mamá, es que tengo que. Ese güey se está cubriendo.
Oh my
Ah.
god! Yeah, that's messed up. Watch out, bro.
Dale, dale,
Oh,
verga.
1931, bro. 12-point lead again.
Déjalo coleo, déjalo coleo.
31.
Y la cagué, me equivoqué, botón.
Nice spin, bro. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
No, la verga.
Oh.
Ya lo maté otra vez. Ey, le aplasté esa mujer otra vez, güey. Mira el pinche agua, güey. Mira, mira. Ah, qué pedo, güey. No puedo mover. Sí, pinche agua, güey. Ya no te no quiero. A la virga. A la virga. Luis, lo desapareciste, güey. Creo que lo cambiaste de lobby, güey. Ya no salió, güey. Ya no salió, güey. Sí, güey. ¿Cómo desapareció? Ya, ya no salió, güey. Tío, tío, tío. ¿Por qué? Tiene un chingo de bate, pa. Oh.
Sport killed me. I got a bounty on me. Right here. Right here, right here, right here. There you go. Alright, let's go kill your the guy that I'm fighting, bro. Cause he's friend. Yeah, yeah. Let's go, man. Let's gang up on these what he's gonna do, bro? Yo, what you gonna do, bro? Oh, you're just standing there, bro. Oh, it's on to
¿Qué
me
fue?
and
¿Qué
you
pasó?
now. Oh, 23:35, bro. Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
11
whoa.
boy, it's going down again. Damn. Why am I stuck in the middle, bro? Hell no. Yeah, you learn fast. You shoot too good too, bro. Like good. Cause if you play Call of Duty, it's easy for you to know how to fight it. Damn. Oh, you what?
Ooh.
That's what I'm saying. See, if you're good at Warzone, it should be easy to learn this. Bro, I hit the zombie, bro. Motherfuckers. Alright, let me move up. Move up to the side. Ooh, that's a nice almost shot. You got thermal? Hell no, you got thermal, nigga. I got shit.
No, güey.
Oh, they said no. Bro, how the fuck you see me, bro? It's nighttime, okay? Oh, I see you now. Oh yeah, I see you now, bro.
¿Eh? ¿Qué, güey? ¿Lo hiciste mal hablado, güey?
Did I lie?
Oh.
Oh, I found him. I found him again. I'm not gonna say that. Oh no, don't just.
Uh.
We stuck on 11 points,
¿Tu
bro.
control?
Oh, that's too
Sí,
far. What the
será la
fuck?
vergüenza. Vamos a ver.
Where in the world? Oh, there are you. Oh, bro, he's far away.
Todavía no
Far
lo veo,
away
güey.
on the steps. Oh, wow, he died.
No lo veo, güey. I cannot see you. ¿Es neta?
He's in a panic mode.
No lo veo, güey.
Damn, bro, that's a long shot, my brother. Where is he? Right on the corner. There it is.
¿Dónde está?
So much.
Pues me van a matar, ¿no? Oh, pues, dijo que iban por nosotros, puto.
Whoa! What the fuck? What is you guys' problem? Get out of
Hey,
here.
Mr. King, you
Alright.
and me.
No, you just sport shooting at me.
Otro.
Yeah, watch out. Alright.
Hey,
No,
güey,
we
se
play
muere,
Mario.
güey.
Run,
Hola,
Fortnite.
güey. Gracias. ¿Qué pedo? ¿Quién verga está hablando, güey? ¿Quién verga está hablando, güey?
So
Ese
we're
güey,
on
¿qué, güey?
Fortnite, okay? Chill out. We ain't lying to you.
¿Qué vergas dijo, güey?
I'm trying to kill you, sport. You try to die. No, I don't know what he said. Oh, sport is leading 2 kills on me. Hey, why you
¿Qué
killing
tiraste?
me, bro? Sport.
No te
I
mueras con
just
nada.
RBG sport real fast. What the fuck did he kill you with? I kill him. I use regular bullets and kill him, bro. No pepperoni meatballs.
¿No te hicieron nada esas madres, güey?
Who's talking about machine gun? Yeah. Anything, use anything, bro.
Sí. Sí, güey. El Battlefield así va a ser, güey, en Los Ángeles. Sí, así, una vergüenza.
Like commit suicide.
Buddy,
Yep. Oh, you wanna use LMG? You say you wanna use that, bro.
Baby, ride with you. Baby, afro.
Ooh.
Para pa pa pam. Para pa pam. Para pa pam. Pam.
Bro, I missed too long.
Es como metralletas, ¿no? Como sicarios a la verga.
Bro, how the hell you want us to shoot AR on a long range? Nut. Alright, let me use my other machine gun. Damn, who the fuck shooting me behind?
Así,
Why
mijo.
you trying to kill me
Te
for,
quedó la
bro?
chapiza a la verga.
I snipe Albert 8 when he reload his launcher.
Para pa pam.
I say when Albert trying to reload his launcher, I snipe his head and he did.
Motherfucker.
I get him again.
¿Quién?
Man, why you shooting at me, bro?
Sí, mo. A la verga, no que por aquí.
Alright guys, I'm done.
Para pa pam.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna relax a little bit and then play games later on. Alright, Joe. Chi Sport. I'll play with you later. Bye.